it's Morgan with WTI.
I absolutely love this puzzle from Ceaco. The theme is Walk to the Lake, and it is such a beautiful picture. I had so much fun doing this puzzle myself. It's 300 pieces, so it was very easy to do in one sitting. The pieces are oversized, which is pretty nice because it's easy to do for just yourself or the entire family can help out. It comes nicely packaged in a bag, so you know that your puzzle pieces are secure. The poster is very helpful and a great size, and it was really easy to dump out and get started. I just had such a good time putting all of these together, and I just absolutely love doing a puzzle because it is soothing and it's relaxing, and you can go at your own pace. So it really helps you to just slow down and enjoy a fun activity. It's good for your brain, and it's just a fun thing to do either by yourself or with family or friends. The size here was really good as well. It's 18 by 24 inches. And again, it was 300 pieces, which was a nice size, especially with them being jumbo pieces. It was a lot of fun. I love the lake theme as well. I just thought this was the prettiest picture. And I just had a lot of fun doing this puzzle. It was just so nice. I definitely love this a lot, and I highly recommend it.
I love this puzzle, and that's my point of view.